Hi everybody, Lisa here, your National Educator for Matis South Africa. And today I'd like to feature Densifiance-Serum. Densifiance-Serum is from Matis' Reponse Densite Range, a range targeted for clients over the age of 40 that are starting to show signs of aging. This serum is specifically going to target tightening, toning and firming of the skin, with a main active ingredient called Densiderm complex that is going to stimulate the production of collagen and elastin fibers to re-strengthen the dermal network. We're going to have a tighter, toned and more smooth surface appearance of the skin. Densifiance-Serum needs to be used twice daily for best and clinically proven results. The application of Densifiance-Serum is simple. It is a twist into the palm of the hand, small amount of product, and rub it between the surface of the skin and apply. Tapping it in stimulates the microcirculation and helps for better penetration of the product. For more further information, please do not hesitate to contact us on Matis South Africa, on Facebook or on Instagram. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.